Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing video. So this one is for the month of June. I have my little card here and I have all the products that they sent me except for one, but I'm going to get it in a second. So I'm going to go over what products we got and like the little description that it says. I haven't tried all of these products out yet, but I plan to do soon. And if you guys are interested in hearing about a specific product, I will review it or I'll update you guys on like what I think about it. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I have to say about them or just knowing what I got in my month's Boxycharm, which I'm pretty sure everyone got the exact same thing this month. It looks like everyone got it except for maybe the lip product is different, but I've seen most of these products in everyone's box this month as far as the people that I have been watching. If you guys are curious, the box that I got is one. So there's different versions of them. I'm the one that got the REFERRAL long-lasting liquid lipstick. Some people got galactic, and I believe maybe the shades were different. So if you guys want to hear what I have to say and what I got, then make sure you guys like this video and also subscribe down below, and let's get right into it. So I decided to get this one just because of the Olimar palette. I believe, yeah, originally if you were to buy it off the website it would be $28. You pay $21 and you get other products in the box. So I just decided to save that, and you also get free shipping with Boxycharm. So this is what the palette looks like. It comes with 8 shades and they're all different finishes, so that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys like some quick swatches. That one is La Costa, and then we have El Malecon, which I believe she's from Colombia. I'm not for sure. It says Caribbean Queen, but I'm not for sure where she's from. I don't want to say Colombia and that'd be like completely... Oh, she's from Cuba. So yeah, this is inspired by like Cuba. So a lot of well, I'm not sure if it's inspired by Cuba, but I know that a lot of the shades in here are like in Spanish. So that's Varadero, and then Celia is this one, and this is the one I was most excited about. If you guys can see, my swatches are kind of odd, but Celia was the one that it looks like a duochrome. It just has like a beautiful finish to it. It reminds me of the one that came in the Mermaid palette from Tarte, which I do have, and I really want to compare it to that shade just because they look very similar. And I feel like ever since I've seen that shade in Tarte's Mermaid palette, I've seen it in a lot of other places. And then of course you have 4 mattes. There's Cocoa Taxi, which is like a very nice like warm brown shade, and then Tropico, which is like a medium warm, and then Guantanamera, which I know how to say this one just because I was watching her live earlier. It's like a berry shade. And then Cafecito, which of course is like a brown. Now when I had first seen her palette, and these are just one swatches, I definitely do want to do a tutorial with this. So yeah, I was going to do a tutorial with it, but I decided to use a different shadow palette because I have many to try out and I'm always on the hunt for the next best thing. So I definitely want to try this one out. The next one, which is also a very like popular item that I've seen on YouTube, has been the Sol de Janeiro, and this is like this is called the Bum Bum Cream, I believe, and I don't know what this one's supposed to be. Yeah, the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. So I'm guessing it's supposed to be really good. I didn't notice it didn't have a lid on it, but I don't really want to. I guess I'll put some on my leg. It smells really nice. It reminds me of like a Bath and Body Works scent. It's very potent. So yeah, I guess we'll try this little formula out. Okay, so that's enough for the cream, but it smells really good and it's supposed to be really smoothing, and I've heard really great reviews about this, but I think it's pretty pricey. I think the actual like cream, this one is $10, but I think the actual like the bigger cream is probably like more than 20. I'm not for sure. So then this, the next one is the Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. These are pretty natural, like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but These are a lot more natural than the ones I'm used to. These are really like soft, and they look like they were going to be nice for like really natural looks, but for the eye look that I did today, I didn't want my lashes to look not noticeable, so I decided to add some falsies I get from Wish. I have to go over like my favorite lashes just because I feel like I have a lot of favorites and they're pretty affordable. This retails for $28, so these are pretty pricey. I would actually pay $28 for like 5 pairs of lashes, maybe, not just one. But yeah, and I guess the packaging is pretty cute. Okay, and so the next product is from Jonte Blue. I'm not really sure how you pronounce it. I've never heard of the brand, but this is in the shade called Charcoal. So this is like a dark gray shade. I'm not really into eyeliners like that, and I guess you can use it with the Alamar palette and do something like smoky. I really wanted to use this so I can use like the whole box. And I've also heard some people use the Bum Bum cream as like a facial moisturizer, so I'll just have to like look into that. But the last product, well, actually not, this is the 4th product. These are the Luxie brushes. So this is the 3-piece flawless complexion, and this alone retails for $42. So this has the 516 duo fiber brush, which is really nice if you guys are wanting to put like foundation on or any powder, if you even want to contour. This one I wish I would have used to like dust off the bake that I had underneath and like just set my face, but I felt like because I haven't washed it, it's pretty flat. So I just kind of like to wash my brushes sometimes to like let them be a little bit more fluffy and actually be its natural shape. But I did decide to use these. So this is the 522 tapered highlighter. For some odd reason, I have many of these, but because it was kind of squished in the package, it looked like a different brush to me. And I actually used the highlighter brush for foundation today, and surprisingly, it looks really great. I felt like it really just like made my foundation buff out really well and looked like very smooth. And I don't know, I just really like the way that it looked. So I really recommend that if you do use brushes like these, especially because these are synthetic, if you are going to use a brush for foundation, make sure that you're washing the brush maybe after maybe one use if you can, but 2 to 3 uses can sometimes also cause the brush to apply your foundation streaky because of all the foundation that it's gunked up. So if you are into using brushes and you're just finding like you can't find one that's very streaky, but you're just using it after many uses and not washing them after foundation, then yeah, maybe that's the problem. Because I love this brush for foundation, and I use many brushes for foundation, but I find that maybe after like twice after using that brush and not cleaning it, my foundation starts applying really streaky. So that's just something that just like the beauty blender, that you have to wash it every other day, like every single time that you use it. I use them once and then I wash them. So, but this is also the Luxie 660. This is the Precision Foundation. I wanted to use this one for foundation, but it's a little bit more dense, so I decided to just go with this one for my cream contour. So this one actually buffed it out really well, and I got to put it up to my temples, and it applies really nicely on the jawline, so I really like it. And they're really soft. I've actually purchased off of Luxie Beauty because they were one of the first brands that I discovered that made brushes, and a lot of people had really good things to say about them. So Luxie is definitely a brand that I stand by. If it wasn't in Boxycharm, I would buy it. If it was a Boxycharm, it's a great thing to have. When I saw these being included in Ipsy bags and Boxycharms, I was just like, dang, that must be a really good subscription, because these are really great brushes. Like, I'm not even trying to like hype them up. I love Luxie Beauty. They're a great company. They make great brushes. And the last thing was this lipstick, and I actually forgot I had it. But this looks like a very nice color. These are my type of colors. This is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. This retails for, oh yeah, the Jonte Blue Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil, the charcoal pencil I included. That one retails for $5, so that one's not bad at all. This one retails for $21, and they are available at Ulta Beauty and also on OfraCosmetics.com. And this is the shade called Verona. So this is like a nude color, like a nudie rose. It's a very nice. These are my types of shades for every single day, I would definitely wear this. I can't really tell if it has a scent just because I have that Bum Bum cream on, so it smells like that, but I doubt it's a lipstick. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, they smell like cupcake, like pastries. This is what this smells like. So that's pretty much it for this Boxycharm video. Again, I haven't really tried all the products. I'm sure that I will really much enjoy the palette and the lashes. I don't want this to go to waste, so I'm definitely going to try to use up this Bum Bum cream, and maybe I'll end up finding a great moisturizer. I wish they would include sample sizes of this, of the Believe cream, because that one's like one I really want, but one I don't want to pay the price for. I'd rather have other goodies in them. So yeah, and then the Jaunty Blue pencil would probably be like my the least interesting products in this box, but overall the box is really good. I really like the brushes. I think the lashes are cute. I'm gonna use that liquid lipstick, and the palette again is swatched really well, which doesn't matter. I don't really swatch my shadows all that often, but I decided to swatch them, you know, just to swatch. And oh, that Celia shade is so pretty. So I definitely do want to do a look. If you guys are interested in me doing a full face with the liquid lipstick, oh, I got it. If you guys are interested in me doing a tutorial with all these products, definitely let me know. I want to definitely include the other products that I use, like my eyebrow pencil and all that stuff, and my concealer. So yeah, if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments down below. I have a couple of good, actually a couple of fun videos coming up, so make sure you stay tuned for that. If you guys aren't subscribed already, make sure to do so down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye guys.